Ooh, welcome man, welcome back to the channel, guys. Real quick, y'all can see this road, y'all recognize this street. That's because this is my second home, guys. That's right, I'm here at the Brothers Motors. I have to check out. Hey, is that a PT Cruiser? Ooh, got a PT Cruiser over here. I bet you they don't know what's wrong with it. Let me stick my card on that car. Now this is at a mechanic shop, guys. It ain't even about the car on some cars. It's about the scan tool. Okay, I have a secret scan tool that can tell me whatever it is I need to know. Let me go in here and see what is going on. Guys, hold tight. All right, see what he got going on in here. Looks like quite a bit. All right, what is going on out here? Hey, Dodge Ram. What in the world? Oh, y'all knocked the wall down? Pop the hood. I want to see what he working with. I want to see what he... Oh, ain't no string in there, no rope. Damn. Whoa, this is nice. Whoa. Whoa, is this an 8-track? This got a CD player in here. Look at that AC control, y'all. Wow. Alright. Tell you how far out of range we are. We don't even know. Try and get the hood up. Alright, we're out there, nobody old cars. Where's the hood release? Up to that hood, man. The hell? Oh. Whoa, y'all see that? Yep. A little bit before my time. Alright, hood release, hood release. Where, if I was the hood release, where would I hide? Guys, y'all remember the button you used to step on with your foot? I think that, is that headlight where you turn the light? Guys, I don't know, so don't call me. You know how haters are. Frankie and them talking that smack. I remember if you push that with your feet, I don't know, will your light go high beam or something? I don't know, don't start me lying, but I don't know what the hell. Oh, is this it? That might be it. I know this brake. Okay, it might be up now, let's see. I don't know what that shit is. I don't know, man. Turn the loud ass thing off. Or we die up in here. To do what? You got it open, guys. Oh, before you turn it off? How did you open it? I guess we'll never know that. Good Lord. Good Lord, you need muscles to open this mug. You ain't gonna tell them who own it? Look at all this room. Child, I already got an old car.
Nah, I ain't gonna be riding. I just told JT I ain't gonna be riding up and down Piedmont Park with him.
Ashley, brother.
I'm taking my shit on the track.
Look at all this room.
Shit, I'll be on the track.
So the older mechanics, see what y'all used to deal with.
Turn everything.
Look at that air filter right on top,
He be on the track.
directly of the carburetor. This has to be a carburetor.
This shit gonna be expensive.
Now, this make me want to pull my timing light back out. Look at that. Distributor. Old technology, baby. Old technology. Hey, how did you open it? Something on the bottom? Oh, no, nah. And this spring pushes it up, push the force up. All right. Well, you can't even get nothing from pull apart. How you have to go to pull apart to get some parts. Look at that big ass compressor.
Fired up. Charlie say he wanna hit.
Fired up. Is the key in here? Yeah, I don't know. You do it. I don't want to mess up now. So what you supposed to do to the car? I'm saying, what you supposed to do? You got a timing light?
That's one of the things you like look at your toolbox, you like, I don't need this shit.
There we go. Whoa. All right, guys. I don't know what this is. Let me see if I can make out what it is. Grand Prix. Pontiac make it? All right, guys. I've had enough fun for today, guys. I'm gonna call it a day. I'll get with you guys tomorrow, guys. This is out of my league, out of my control. So what I'm gonna do is call it a wrap. I don't know. I have no idea what to do with something like that. So, guys, what else? That's nothing else. We're gonna catch up on a lot of stuff over here. We got somebody coming to clean up. Okay, so we're gonna get the whole place cleaned up. As y'all can see, the wall is gone. There used to be a wall right here in this area. So with the wall gone, a lot of stuff is exposed, and that look unprofessional. So I got to clean out my truck and come over and haul out most of this stuff. Whatever is junk and going away. Okay. I don't know what's going on here. As you can see, guys, these are not Chrysler. So the myth that we only do Chrysler is totally not true. All right. This is not a Chrysler. This is not a Chrysler engine. So yeah, we pretty much change the engine on anything. All right. Now that's a 3.6. Look like a Pentastar. Yeah, that's a Pentastar engine. I don't know what that is. All right. So yeah, guys. Yeah, you got cam face and stuff off. But I don't know. So transmission over here going in another car. What is this? A Toyota? Why don't you just put the engine in or something? I don't know what kind of car it is. But guys, I've had enough fun for today. Okay, that's all I have. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next video. I'm out, man.